Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dia and I appreciate you stopping by. So normally I do videos about planners, the planners that I use, how I plan, planners that I've tried, and I like to share with you. But today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna share with you a new purse that I purchased. So like most other planner addicts, we also are always in the constant struggle to find the perfect purse to carry our planners in. And if you're anything like me, it's not easy because I am extremely picky. I'm only 4'11", so I can't have anything that's too big. Otherwise, it just looks like I'm drowning carrying it. And I need it to be big enough to carry my planner and my iPad and maybe a wallet and a couple of other things. But like I said, I don't like it to be too big. I've been struggling to find something. I had a Michael Kors backpack a while back, but when I upgraded to the iPad Pro, my iPad no longer fit inside that backpack. So now my struggle has been finding a bag that looks professional, is durable, and can also handle my iPad Pro and my planners. So lately I've been using this gray Kanken, which I love, but if you've owned one of these, you know they get dirty pretty easily. So along the bottom here, it's gotten pretty dirty, and I really don't take this anywhere except for, stores and out to eat. It's not like I'm taking it hiking or anything with me, but it's still pretty dirty. And then not only that, I feel like it doesn't look very professional, and I wanted something a little bit more professional looking. So what I've been doing recently is carrying my black Fossil Sydney satchel, which fits my wallet and my Hobonichi Cousin in the A5 size. But then in order to bring my iPad, I've either been carrying it separate or I've been carrying it in a backpack, so then now I'm carrying two bags and it's just too much. And Nicole she used to be Written Intentions, I think she's All My Intentions now, had posted a picture of a brown leather bag the other day on Instagram, and I fell in love with it. And she said she got it at TJ Maxx, so I started to look and see if I can find it there. But I have a feeling it won't fit my iPad in it. So I started to look at other options, and I came across a backpack on Fossil that I really loved, but it was $300, and I think it was going to be a little bit too big. The thickness of it was bigger than I would want. And I think just overall height-wise, it was going to be a little bit too big on me. So again, I'm only 4'11", so it doesn't take much for something to look really large on me. So I know a lot of people are bothered that there are cookies and Google and Instagram and everything track the things we search, but I'm actually very grateful because I'd say like the next day I hopped on Instagram and started scrolling through it, and a backpack came up that looked absolutely perfect. And it is called, I believe the company is called Andar. They're based in Arizona, and I don't believe they make the bags in the US anymore. I think they're made in China, but their main office is located in Arizona. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just do this unboxing for you. I haven't seen it yet. I didn't know how to set this up. I wanted you guys to be able to see it. So I just decided to put it right here. I haven't opened it up yet all the way. All I did was cut the tape open, and I also, So the bag that I got is called the Addison backpack, and my husband also got a wallet, so that's in here as well. And he wasn't happy that I told him he couldn't open it yet because I needed to do an unboxing first. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this now. Okay, so here is his wallet right here. His is the Apollo wallet. I can always do an unboxing of this one or show you guys what it is another time. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see that. You guys, I've been looking for the perfect backpack for so long, and I hope this one cuts it. I did get this in camel tan, and it also comes in black. And then it comes in two sizes. There is a mini size, which is so cute, and I think it's a limited time kind of offer thing. So if you guys want to check that out, I would check it out, but okay. So it's in this nice bag to protect it, and here it is. Oh, so, okay, I love that it doesn't look too huge. I mean, look at the size. I'm so used to, even my Kanken, hold on. So it's actually a little bit smaller than my Kanken. Okay, this is so beautiful. But here it is. I need to figure out what the best way is to show you guys how to look at this. Okay, so before I look completely into this bag, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a few things about it. It is called the Addison backpack. It's 100% full grain waxed leather. It has brass hardware and white KK zippers, which I guess are supposed to be really good zippers that kind of get smoother with time. A lot of zippers will kind of dry out, but there's supposed to be some sort of self-lubricating thing that keeps them smooth, and they get smoother with time. It says on the website that this fits a 13 or 14 inch laptop. So I have the iPad Pro. It shouldn't be a problem fitting it in here. And it also says that this is the first bag that they've made especially for women. And I because of the size, I would say so too. I mean, of course, a man can rock this if he wants to, but they did make it a lot smaller than most of the leather backpacks that I've seen out there that can handle an iPad or a laptop. Okay, so let's check this out. It has this large front pocket here, which I love. It has microfiber on the inside. Let's empty this out. Yeah, the pockets are lined with microfiber, and probably can't see in there, can you? So it's just right there. It's a pretty deep pocket. I wonder if, I'll be right back. I was just curious, no, that's not gonna fit. Okay, I was just curious if my planner would fit in the front here. It does not. This is an A5 size. It is a pretty big planner, but you know, thought I'd try. But for sure, my wallet and my cell phone and anything quick that I need to grab can go in this front pocket. And let me open up this top one. The zipper is extremely smooth, and this top zipper has this little extra tail here. Oh, it is so nice on the inside. Okay, you guys, it is so soft on the inside. So here is the inside of it, and yeah. On the website, I thought the picture showed that it said Andar at the bottom, but I don't see that on here. But it has these pockets. It has a bigger pocket right here and one that's a little narrower on the side. On the other side, it has another zipper pocket, and this one goes a little bit deeper, probably about the size, a little bit bigger than my iPhone, and my iPhone actually fits in these other pockets too. Let me undo these. Struggling, guys. Oh my God, that gave me such anxiety. Okay. Okay, I think that was the hardest bag I have ever opened. It's lovely to know that it's extra protected and kept nice and sealed up, but that was a pain in the butt. So, okay, let me see. I love this so far, you guys. Let me see. I just need to make sure all my stuff fits in it. The straps are nice. So this is actually like the perfect size for me, like, you know, lengthwise, but let's go ahead and stick some of my stuff in it. So I should have gathered my stuff first. Let me go grab it. Okay, so this is the bag that I'm currently carrying. It is my Fossil Sydney satchel. I love this bag so much, but it doesn't fit all my stuff in it. So I wonder if this will fit in here. No. Nope. Okay. Book I'm currently reading. Let's see what I can fit in here. I think I'm going to start with the important stuff in my purse, which is like my wallet. Let's see. My eyeglass pouch, eyeglass cleaner, and I think that's all I'm going to put in there. Let's see. I have some hand sanitizer, mints, and just some headache pills. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the back zipper. Let's see what else I have. my Mickey Mouse face mask. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the pouch too. I'll put my brush in one of these side pouches and my chapstick in one of these side pouches. So I really don't carry much with me when it comes to that stuff. So that's that. Okay, so the important thing is my iPad. I was reading notes off of it. It does have this case on it, this keypad. Let's put this in here. It doesn't get very wide, but then again, that's what I really like about it, because that's part of my problem with most bags. They're very, very wide, very thick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my book in here. So honestly, this is what I would normally carry with me. The brush is kind of making it a little bit weird. I might end up pulling that out, but these things fit in here. I don't know if you can see. And the only other thing that I would bring with me is every once in a while I bring this with me, but it stays on my desk most of the time. If I want to take any notes while I'm out and about, it's usually in my iPad, and then I transfer it to this later. But let's see. I can fit it in here. It is a pretty tight fit, and it makes the bag really heavy. So, but it does fit in there if I needed it to. Still zips up really easily. And I forgot to mention, it has like this little secret pocket here in the back, and I believe that's supposed to be for your phone. That's perfect. Okay, and that's it. It's quite heavy, but these straps are pretty thick on it. So it's like, as of right now, I've only been wearing it for 2 seconds. Doesn't feel like it's digging in my skin or anything. And I really, really like the way it looks. So let me see if you guys see it. I'll probably try to do some more video of my full body in it for you guys so you can see, but I love it. It's not too big. I finally found a bag that fits my iPad, my planner, my book, my wallet, and everything else that I need, and it still looks professional. Okay, that was tiring. I haven't made a video in forever, and then to make a video that I'm not used to making was even harder. So if you guys have any questions about this bag, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. I'll leave a link to the website. I love it. I'd love to give you guys like a 6-month check-in on it to see how well it does. And if you want to check out their website, go ahead. They have a lot of other things too. They actually have a wallet that I might buy, but I wanted to kind of see how my husband likes his first. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you found it helpful. Like I said before, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment area. I will be making some planner flip through videos pretty soon here, and also showing some new stuff that I've been trying out. So if you have any video requests or would like to see anything from me, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. I'm even thinking about trying to do like a morning routine and a vlog, but that's way out of my comfort zone. So we'll see if that happens or not. But until then, I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I post a new video. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.